Waking up each morning felt like a heavy burden. The persistent alarm clock was more than just a signal of time. It was a stark reminder of the job that had become a prison. A mixture of dread and anxiety clouded my mind as I faced each new day, stripping away the passion I once had. The enthusiasm that had once ignited my career was now a distant memory, leaving me drained and struggling under the weight of unfulfilled potential. For years, my career seemed picture-perfect on paper. A decent salary, benefits, promotions, flashing accolades that promised success. Beneath this facade, however, lay the cracks in my mental well-being. I paid little attention to my declining health, erroneously believing that enduring this misery equated to success. I consoled myself with the idea that this was simply the price of ambition, but in reality, I was choosing existence over living, losing sight of who I truly was. That pivotal moment arrived one evening after a long, uninspiring workday. Sitting in my car, the fatigue wasn't physical. It was something far more profound, the emotional disrepair. Staring out into nothingness, the question loomed over me. Is this the life I want to continue? It began a torrent of introspection as I revisited the threads of joy that had woven through my life, long abandoned for a soulless job. I crafted a list, a blueprint of what ignited my spirit: purpose, freedom, creativity, and tranquility, elements I yearned to reclaim and define my path forward. Transitioning my career was a daunting venture. I stepped into the unknown filled with anxiety, equipped with a fierce determination to seek something more authentic. Challenges emerged, whether it was acquiring new skills or facing skepticism from those around me. Phrases like "you'll regret it" buzzed in my ears, but I remained dedicated to reconstructing a new life, one slow step at a time. Engaging in online classes and reaching out to individuals already thriving in my new chosen field gradually painted a new vision for my future. Currently, I embrace my work with enthusiasm. The joy of waking up each day now dances within me. Though the paycheck may not mirror my past earnings, I have gained priceless aspects that money can't buy: my health, happiness, and a profound sense of purpose. No longer do Mondays incite dread. Rather, I greet them with energy, driven by the understanding of the significance behind my efforts. This journey of career change has been a life raft, pulling me from the depths of despair into a realm where I reclaim my identity. If you're trapped in a cycle of discontent, remember that it's okay to pivot. Sometimes moving away can become the strongest step towards discovering your true self.